and action.
Okay, let's go ahead and separate it. We have the integral. I'm missing something here. Dx.
U.
X cubed over x squared plus the 4. And then we have plus integral of 1 over x squared plus the 4. Forgot dx on both of them again. All right, the second one. Does that sound like arctangent or arcsine? If it's got a 1 on top, and even if it's some other number, we can always bring that to the front and make it a 1. And when it's added, it's going to be arctangent. Okay, so that we're going to do in a little bit. But in the meantime, we need to do long division for the first part. So let's do a long division somewhere on the side. We have x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x. If you want to put the 0 for constant, go for it. And then we have 1x squared plus 0x plus the 4. So let's practice our long division from Algebra 2 or Pre-Cal. Okay, what am I missing from 1x squared to get to 1x cubed? And x. And then the annoying part is multiplying that back with the outside. So we have 1x cubed plus 0x squared plus 4x. And what happens to all the signs? They all flip. Very good. And the first piece should always cancel. Does it? Yep. Second one cancels as well, which is kind of nice. So just by looking at this, can this 1x squared go into 4x? So that's my remainder. And the way you write the remainder is that on the top over, and that should be negative, right? Over my divisor, which is x squared plus 4. So if I were to separate this into two integral, it's going to look like integral of x dx. And then we have minus, I think I want to kick out the 4. You guys okay if I kick out the 4 before the integral for this guy right here? And then we already have a minus, so we have x over x squared plus 4. And then let's write the one that we're going to use arctangent for, plus the integral 1 over x squared plus 4. Which one involves u substitution? First, second, or third? That one's u substitution. So let's go ahead and do that one first. So I'm going to write u is equal to x squared plus 4. du is equal to what? 2x dx. So why am I missing my dx every time? Need to stop rushing. I have all that. I don't have the 2, so let's bring that to the front. So I'm only doing the middle portion. If I kick out the 1/2 and I already have the 4, what's the actual value? Isn't that 2? Yeah, 4 times 1/2. So I'm going to put on here minus 2, integral of 1 over u du. Integration of 1 over u is what? Natural log. So we have natural log of the absolute value of. Are we okay if I just go ahead and plug that in? Since I need it anyways. So that part's done. Let's integrate the next piece. Write the understood 1. So that's going to give me, what is one more of that? So 1 over 2, x squared. So the first part is done. Second part is done. The third part, we need our formula. So what is my u? Let's kind of think about it. Wasn't a squared always a constant? So we need to rewrite this. It's really 1 over 4 plus x squared. So for this guy right here, my u is what number? And a is what number actually? A is 2, u is x. So let's mimic the formula. The formula says 1 over a. What is our 1 over a? 1 over 2. And then we have arctangent. And then it says u over a, which is going to be x over 2. And then plus the c. So our answer is kind of like scattered, but it's all this if it were to be lined up together. Boom. In my opinion, the hardest thing is knowing to do the long division. And after that, we know it's u substitution, if it's arctan, or the normal integration.